This is GATE 2014 set 1 electrical question number 30. In the figure, the value of resistor R is 25 plus I by 2, where I is the current in amps flowing in the circuit, as you can see in the diagram. Then the value of the current I is being asked in the question. For NPTEL reference, you can refer to Network Analysis by Professor Taposh Kumar Bhattacharya course, lecture number 1, Introduction, KVL, KCL and Power Balance, and this YouTube link is given for your reference. Now coming to the question, useful data that we will be needing in order to solve this question is that the voltage drop across a resistor if the current is flowing I, as you can see, this voltage drop is given by, so the voltage drop is like this, which is given by small v equal to I times R as per Ohm's law, and the voltage, if you apply KVL, then plus 300 gain and IR drop. So we have written the KVL, net voltage drop over a loop is 0. So coming to the solution, V equal to IR as per KVL and Ohm's law. Now the voltage is 300 and that should be equal to the voltage drop I times R. R is 25 plus I by 2. Plugging that value in and we will be getting a quadratic equation, 600 equal to 50 I plus I square, where if you find the value of I, then it will be coming I equal to 10 and minus 60. Now if I is minus 60, the value of R is negative, so I should be plus 10 such that the value of R is positive. So I equal to 10 ampere is the value. So this is the answer, I equal to 10 ampere. Thank you.